Hey guys, good afternoon. Hope everyone's doing really well today. I basically just wanted to show you a product that I just purchased because I plan on doing some baking for the holidays. I'm not an experienced baker, although I did grow up learning to bake with my grandmother and stuff like that. I feel like I just can't get things right in certain times. So I really want to practice my brownie skills. I want to get good at it because they are one of my favorite desserts, and this is what I want to make for the holidays. So I was in the grocery store and I had actually seen this online, the Good Cook nonstick pans, but I'm like, oh, they're in the grocery store. Look, it was like literally the same thing. It just online it had a different label than this. So I was like, all right, I might as well just pick it up because I'm here, but you guys can order these online. I'm looking to make some brownies with like walnuts and chocolate frosting on top and maybe a little cinnamon. And I figured that this was like the perfect size pan for those because I got two of these because I want to make one brownie I have to go to two different places on Thanksgiving, so I want to make two different pans. So I saw the Good Cook. I had actually used their products before. I love them. They're like, they don't burn, they don't get all nasty. Like if you buy the cheap ones from the dollar store, it's like you use it once and then that's it, because like it gets all stains on it and I feel like it doesn't last. But Good Cook products are really good. So this is Good Cook Premium Nonstick 11 inches by 7 inches pan, or 27 centimeters by 17 centimeters brownie pan. It is easy to clean. So usually what I'll do is, like, after I'm done cooking my brownies, I'll leave some hot water in the pan and I'll just let it soak for a little bit, and then I'll take a Brillo and scrub it out real good. So I never put it in the dishwasher. I don't even know if you can. I guess you could, but like I think you're just better off like cleaning it by hand. So this is metal spatula safe, and this is commercial weight, so that's good because sometimes, you know, if it's like a cheaper pan, like the metal spatula can end up scratching the pan and you don't want that. So this is a new, oh, maybe this is why the label's different. New easy release non-stick, which is great, non-stick pan. I think that I'd probably still spray the pan a little bit with a non-stick spray like Pam or something like that, but yeah, you don't have to, I guess, because it's non-stick, but I probably would spray it a little bit just to play it safe. But I was really happy with seeing that this has a lifetime guarantee, because I've bought in pans before and just like they didn't last, so I had to throw them away. So I was really happy to see that. And I know, like, other people that I know have purchased Good Cook products before and they love them. They're like, they always stay really good and they're easy to clean and they're just really good overall products and quality. Don't mind my Halloween tablecloth here. I think it's getting time to change it, considering it's like almost the middle of November, but I've been so busy with work, just haven't even had time to like go get my Thanksgiving things out of the garage and the attic. So just wanted to show you guys the whole pan. This is Bradshaw International Incorporated, Rancho Cucamonga, California, 91730, made in Indonesia, and that is the barcode on the back, and I think this is the product number 04012. I'm not 100% sure, that's just a guess. So I think that this will be really great to make my brownies, and I'm sure you can make like biscuits and stuff on here too. Like, you don't have to just make brownies, but of course that's what the picture had on it, so I was like, ooh, okay, perfect, I need my brownie pan. But yeah, of course you could just use this to make other things as well. So I think that they're always great to have in the house, several pans, especially during the holidays. I'm sure most people do cooking for Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, and then Christmas and Hanukkah and whatever's coming up. So always good to have in the house. And I definitely believe in a quality product, and this is actually not expensive at all, so I definitely recommend it. So guys, this is the Good Cook Premium Nonstick Pan. Perfect for brownies and biscuits, stuff like that. 11 inches by 7 inches, perfect for like your standard brownie mix. That'll make the perfect amount, perfect size, somewhat deep too, and scratch free. Great for metal spatulas, won't scratch your pan up. Hope you guys try it out. I hope you make some goodies for the holidays, some nice chocolate brownies for your loved ones or your friends or your kids. And I thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. Thanks, guys.